So hello, welcome back to this video. So after a long time, we have came back to our tutorial now, and so this is our basic tutorial today. And in this tutorial, we are just going to uh, use a famous website called Canva. We will use our a new tool called a free AI image generator from Canva. It's just like a free tool that we can use to create a free AI images, which will be totally based on our text. Whatever text we write it on, and it will simply create a brand new image that will be generated at that time. So here are some pictures like this. You can see like panda riding a bike, love between cat and a girl, and there's so many images we can create easily. So at the moment we are just you can see in the screen there's some pictures that was created by this Canva tool, and that is totally text based. All you need to do, go to the Google and just type it how to create AI images in Canva, and you will see a first link. Just open that link and you will see generate AI images. So I'm just going to click on it, and in front of that you can see a screen has come up which is giving example a panda is surfing a wave. So you can see this is very funny image, but definitely it's just a text-based image. Whatever we can write, it will simply create an image in front of us. So you can use this picture instead in your design, or you can use it in your new design. Depend on what poster or what text you're using, whatever platform. So I'm using a new document by 1280 to by 720 pixels. So now you can see a new dashboard has come out, and you can see I'm just going to write something, for example, like a cat, uh, anything you can write down. Let me just a cat like surfing a boat, and simply it will not take more than 5 seconds, and you can see just in 5 seconds the image will be created. The image can be any painting, any black and white picture, any 2D, any 3D, whatever you can create that. So you can see I have created this one, and now I'm just going to click on 3D, and let's try a different thing like a dog surfing a wave, or a dog surfing a boat. So let's see what we are going to get. So it will just take same as like 5 to 10 seconds maximum, and it will show up some results in front of us. So you can see the dog looks so funny and cute, but he's just surfing a boat at the moment with long waves. And now I'm just selecting a drawing. Let's see in the drawing section what we can get. I'm just going to delete this picture, and the same text, dog surfing a boat. I'm just getting any painting, but I think so it's just a color painting. Instead of that, I'm just going to select a painting instead that, and we can write anything like a panda just riding a bike, or eating in jungle, and let's see what magic will come out. And here we go, the panda actually eating something in jungle. So I'm just opening some pictures. I click on that. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, I don't know what he's eating at the moment, but I can see there's a leaf in his mouth, and he's just eating something in jungle. All right, that's fine. So okay, let's try a general thing, a company gaming logo. I don't hope so it will come up as any logos or something, but let's see what come out. Okay. It's just like a normal paintings. Just remove that. Let's see a photo. All right, so let's see a beautiful image of any girl, a nice looking woman. All right, and it's just you can see it's hard working transforming these images from your head. Wait with us. Like something was written over there, it's just finished now, and now you can see AI has created a brand new image that is so beautiful. All right, okay, that's nice. So that's all. It's just a basic tutorial today, and you can see it was a lot of fun. You can do many images as you want, and I can attach something. For example, if you want to just download that, so we can go to share. Okay, this one image. Oh, sorry, this one box. Just click on download. I have just purchased this Canva Pro something, and that's why it just unlocked all the things that whatever I can just download the stuff in any format like JPEG, JPG, PNG, PDF standard, or any format. So at the moment, if I want to download JPG and just make it same like width and height as like YouTube thumbnail, you can increase the quality and just click on download. Within the next 5 to 10 seconds, maybe just 2 seconds, you can see it has downloaded. And it is just not like high quality, but we can see how beautifully this image has been created by this AI generator tool, a very beautiful tool by the Canva. Really appreciate, and in future we will use further, and I will make more parts about this AI tool, and we will create awesome images in the next part. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in next video. Thank you.